In this piano tutorial, I want to share a different way of modulating up a half step or up a key, right? One of the ways that is more commonly used as a way of modulating up a half step is by simply playing the 5 of the destination chord and then arriving at the new chord. So let's say we are in the key of C major and we want to get up to C sharp major. All we really have to do is play the 5 of C sharp, which is an A flat, right? Usually it's played as a suspended chord and then resolved, and then we're in the new key. For example, let's say we're playing a simple progression in C major. As you saw, I played a simple progression, and when I got to a certain chord, in this case the 5, I simply modulated up to the 5 of the next key, right, of C sharp, and then I landed on that C sharp. But there's actually a song by Marvin Sapp named "We Worship You Today," and this song uses a modulation that is pretty seamless and very interesting to hear because it almost sounds like they incorporated the modulation into the progression of the song. And this song is actually in B flat major, and they play a progression simply going down the major scale, right? So they start on the 1, then the 7, then the 6, then the 5, then the 4, 3, 2, and then they play a 6, 7, 1 to get back to the 1. Right? It's a very simple progression, but the way they modulate is coming up now. They play a 4, then a 6, and that's when it changes. So let's break that down. You saw how we arrived to this B without making it too apparent, right? So the way that we did this was by playing the 4, right? We're in B flat, 4. Then we play the 6, and we're actually going to move the 6 to the 6 of the next key, or up a half step, right? In this case, the 6 of B, which is the next key, is A flat minor. And from here, we play this progression. We play the 2 of this new key, and then the 6, 7, and then the 1 of the new key. So one more time, 4, 6, up a half step, 2, 6, 7, 1. All right, let's try this out in another key. Let's say we're going from F to F sharp. We're playing the 4 of F, then the 6, then up a half step, and then the 2, and then 6, 7, 1. And we're in the new key. So what I actually want to do is start the song off in B flat major and modulate to every single key on the piano, right? All 12 keys. That way you have a better understanding of how we can work it into every single key. And also I'll change up some of the voicings. That way if you guys want to slow down the video, you can capture some of those different voicings or chords. And quick reminder, I have a piano course available. It's in the description, the first link in the description of this video, where I teach 11 gospel jazz progressions. And also if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And if you're not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe so you can keep receiving these types of videos. All right, let's get started on B flat.